Hey, what's going on, hustlers? Welcome to another episode of Jump On It. That's the video where I show you how to find leads, and in fact, I'm giving you a free lead. We do this every Wednesday for your benefit. So this is really, really important for newbies, and the reason why is newbies, your biggest challenge is finding products that you're ungated in. So this has already been done for you. So right off the bat, the lead that I'm going to show you, there will be a link where you can get the free lead. You'll have a link to the sourcing site, which will be Target, and then you'll have a link to the Amazon listing. Okay, so let's just get right into it. Now, I'm a working class hustler, guys. So that means I'm at work right now. I'm in my truck, as you can see. I'm just taking a quick break. We do get those. And I'm using the software Tactical Arbitrage. That's the software that I always use to source for myself and to source free leads for you. So you can see, you can create your own folders, and you can see I created a folder called Working Class Hustlers. That's just for you. That's where I put your leads. So here's what we're going to look at, guys. I'm just going to kind of configure this, set it up so that you can see the headers. That way you know what you're looking at. So what are we looking at? This software is telling you, if I can get it to focus, the average 90-day rank, okay? The return on investment, the sourcing site, then your price, what you should be paying, okay? The return after fees, your gross profit, you see that? Then you've got the title as it appears on Amazon. Your estimated sales on this product is 15. The title as it appears on the sourcing site. I got my images side by side. That way I can make sure I got the right product with a quick glance. Now, you always have to do your research. You always have to look at, your data and make sure you're looking at the right product. This is your adjusted price. So if you had tax or something, I don't know what your tax is, but that's mine because I'm in Pennsylvania. So the software will actually figure that for you. Here you've got the Amazon buy box. Okay. So if you're a big buy box guy, there you have that right in front of you. You've got the brand, you've got the category, you've got the ASIN, and on and on and on. But, here's what we're going to do from here. What we're going to do, we're going to look at, because the first thing you want to look at, once you've determined that there's enough sales, there's enough profit in there, normally what you would do with this software, you would check restrictions to see if you're gated. But since I've already done that for you, I know you're going to be able to sell this product. So the next thing you want to do is look at the sourcing site. So all you would do is click right there like I did. And now you can see you've been taken to Target so that you can actually look at the product. And what you're looking at is it in stock? Is it at the price that the software said? Because prices change all the time, hustlers. Will they ship it to me, or is it available to pick up at a store? Okay. And that looks good. So the next thing you want to do is, remember that buy box where that was? Let's find the product on Amazon. All we do is click on that link. And here what you're looking at is you've got 2 people selling the product. Let's just click on that so we can see who they are and what the deal is. So you've got one that's used, like new. We don't sell used, so we ain't worried about that person. There's another person, yeah, they're selling it for $20.97, but look at, you've got $15.49 shipping. And you can see who that is. That's Amazon Global Store UK. And here's what you want to notice about that. Look at the arrival. You're going to wait a month for that. So you get this product, you get out there, you go FBA, you're going to be the one that gets the sale. Okay, so that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. It's so easy. And here's what I want you to do. Like I said, I'm using the software Tactical Arbitrage, and I encourage you to do the same. We've got links down there where you can get a free 10-day trial. And before you even do that, take the Lightning course and take the Lightning course part 2. Both of those are available right on this channel. And that way you'll know how to use the software. So exactly what you're going to get is with the Lightning course part 1, you're going to be able to set up your scans, because the software, you need to know what you're doing. Okay, and then when you take the Lightning course part 2, you got to understand this software has over 900 sites that you can search. But if you don't know where to search, if you don't know what categories, it's not going to do you much good. The only thing it's going to do is overwhelm you. And as a newbie, you're looking to see, hey, where can I find ungated leads? Okay, so I encourage you to watch both of those. They're only like 10 minutes each. And you'll even get a free bulk list that sets everything up for you with the right stores, the right categories, and you don't have to do anything except click a couple of buttons and you're good to go. Then, and only then, do I encourage you to sign up for the 10-day free trial, because now you're ready, and now the software can pay for itself before you even get into paying anything. You can really determine whether or not this software is beneficial for you without wasting time, okay? And, you know, before I go, I just want to ask you a question. So please leave a comment. You know, on this channel, we don't talk about quitting your job. We don't talk about firing your boss. We don't talk about, you know, a lot of that stuff that you hear the gurus talking about. In fact, around here, we keep our jobs. That way we have our regular income. We have our benefits. We have our retirements, pensions, whatever it is that you're doing. You have that regular recurring income. And if you want to get out of your regular job someday, that's great. But what we don't do is we don't hate our jobs. We don't hate the people that gave us a job when we came applying. We're getting some benefit from that job, or we wouldn't be here. We weren't abducted and forced into some sort of servitude. And we recognize that. So what we're not trying to do is be miserable and make everyone else miserable around us and exist in that funk and think that somehow in that, with that type of spirit, we're going to get somewhere. Okay. No. So let me know if you feel the same way, because you know what? I give a lot with this channel. We're approaching, I don't know, 200, and we're getting in the range of 250 videos, but we want to connect with the people that think like us, you know. So let me know in the comments, are you a working class hustler? Is this something that you would like to do? Okay. And take advantage of everything that's out there. Subscribe to the channel, because this is what we do. We do this on Wednesdays. We upload 4 videos a week, one of which is where we go live, and we spend at least an hour. You know what? We always spend usually an hour and a half, because I'm just constantly giving leads, and there's so much abundance out here. I preach abundance, and then I live abundance. I preach working class hustler, and then I live working class hustler. So take advantage of everything you got available, guys. And if you're a newbie, you just hit the jackpot, baby. This is where it's at. We can make it happen, as we're doing right now. So I'll see you in those Lightning course videos. Then you can sign up for a free 10-day trial of tactical arbitrage. I am available. You can, down in the description, you'll see my number. You can text me anytime you want, or you can just communicate with me through the comment section on this video. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Hustle.